Hey guys, what is up? So, haven't made any real videos here lately. Been actually really busy trying to get this shop cleaned up and cleaned out. And it's almost done, not quite. I still got a little bit left to clean up, but man, I've almost got a shop back to work in. So, I've hauled off 3 trailer loads of crap and check this place out so far. Look at that. Got a big open work area finally. Got all my stuff over here organized up. Toolboxes, my carts. I still got to clean out from underneath this thing and get rid of some stuff. Put a nice piece on the top of this big workbench. Got rid of a bunch of stuff. Opened up a whole nother work bay. Some of this stuff over here still has to go. These totes and stuff, all that has to go. But yeah, I'm getting there. Mattresses are finally gone. I have a wall again. So, just wanted to give you a little update on that. The other update is the golf cart. Well, in the process of trying to get the shop straightened up and organized, I started this thing up and tried to drive it out the door just to get it out of here because it won't push for some reason. So I decided to start it up and try to drive it out, not really take it for a drive or anything, just pulling it out. It does not move. It won't go anywhere. It doesn't do anything. It will do about 1 mile an hour. So I'm guessing that something is wrong with the torque converter or possibly the rear end itself. So I guess in an upcoming video, we are going to be tearing back into this thing to figure out why it won't move. Then we can maybe take it on its maiden voyage first drive. Don't know what really could cause it. The torque converter is working. It's just, I don't know. It actually chewed on the belt a little bit when I tried to rev it up and see what was going on. I do know that these carts are notorious for breaking rear axles. So maybe I've got a broke rear axle and that could be the problem. First, I'm going to take the torque converter off and I'm going to check the springs and all that stuff, the weights, and see what that does. But that'll be in an upcoming video. Here's a look at the mini bike. She is very dirty. Need to take her out. I'm going to do a little video on it of getting it started back. It's been almost a year since I started that thing. So do a little video on getting it fired up. But yeah, I can't ride it. I've tried. I just can't balance myself on it. I'm a big dude. I'm 6'1" and like 270. It's not made for guys my size, as I would say. Another thing is I'm gonna have a video coming out soon. I've got to get the blue golf cart in here and we got to fix the exhaust on it. I've got to put new bolts in it because I lost the bolts out of the exhaust, and I was going to work on the can crusher some more and make a video on it, but I'm out of argon on the welder. Another thing I got going on is I bought a drone. I've done a couple little test flights. I kind of suck at it. I'm getting better. I took it out yesterday and flew it around at a local park, and I'm getting better at it. It took pretty nice video. It takes 4K video. So this video, I'll I'll upload the video of me flying the drone. You can kind of take a look around it'll be my hometown basically. And it's just a small little town. I live in a town called Roy Treat, Virginia. So just a small little town, nothing big. I did, however, get some stickers made up for the channel, and they're not here yet. I got a big window graphic I put in the back of my truck. I got it, so hopefully that'll help the channel grow if people see it. Just trying to get my stuff out there. I don't make anything off of doing this stuff, but I really enjoy it. I like showing people the stuff I do, and you know, just have fun. But yeah, so on the other side, we've got, I done the video on the Kia not too long ago, where the ex decided she didn't want it anymore. And of course I was on the title, so it came back to me. Well, that car is a 2019, but it needed a lot of stuff done to it. We fixed the oil leak. Now I've got to put brakes and tires on it. So you're going to see a video, possibly me putting brakes on it, and then we're going to take it and have the tires put on it, and then I got to go get it to line. So I might do a whole video if the people that I take it to don't mind me recording, of them putting tires on and all that stuff. I've got a friend of mine that actually does it, so hopefully they won't mind. But yeah, I just wanted to give you all a little rundown and of things to come and what we're going to be doing. Another video I'm going to be doing is I've got to fix the lock and get this thing working, because I'm going to put it up for sale. It's a taco slot machine. It's just in my way and I don't need it. I've got 2 other ones. So yeah, also if anybody's close to Virginia or interested, the mini bike is up for sale. I've had it posted on Facebook Marketplace. I asked originally $800 for it, but you know, that is very negotiable. I would take way less than that. Or if you had an awesome project that you wanted to trade for it, I would gladly trade for it. I always look for projects, something fun to build, go-karts, golf carts, anything like that, and we could just do a even swap or whatever you want to do with it. Also, if you know anybody that has any golf carts, go-karts, anything like that, and they want to part with it, I'm looking for projects. Just hit me up, and I'm talking dirt cheap. I'm not looking at like $700-800 worth of stuff. I'm looking at 500 below, because you know, I got to make content, but you know, I've also got to use my own money to make the stuff. So believe it or not, I have still not finished painting the wheels for the front of the frickin' Fiat. It is sitting in my driveway still on jack stands. It just seems like I never have time. It's been almost a frickin' year since I've drove that car. But yeah, I'm happy with the shop. I'm going to hook up some stuff here that I can hoist these chains up into the ceilings and not bust my freaking head on it all the time. I'm tired of hitting my head. But yeah, so guys, enjoy this drone footage, and make sure you like, subscribe. Yeah, enjoy it.